Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. It's back. I mean, I'm back. I'm saying I got this 2014 Infiniti QX60, and we're gonna do this baby right here. Me. We're gonna do the rear brakes. We're gonna replace the rotors and the pads. All right. We're gonna need a 14 for this baby right here. We're gonna need a 19 here. You have two bolts, one here and one at the bottom. Hopefully you seeing it. And two bolts here, 14s, and a hammer. Alright, a wrench. I'll show you what I'm gonna use. Alright, let's get it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna use a 1/2-inch impact. The compact gun, alright? If you want to though, because it's kind of tight here, okay? And you can use a short 19 if you don't want to use this ratcheting wrench butts. This is 19, this is 14, okay? It comes with the ratcheting thing, alright? That's the butts right there, okay? You can use this. And this is for the bracket, okay? Use the 19 socket, but be careful though, because since it's too tight, when you lose it with the short 19 and this, you're gonna trap yourself. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna get it stuck in here. So I recommend you to use the 19. You know what I'm saying? Alright, and once you break it loose here with the 19, you can use this guy just to speed the process. You know what I'm saying? That's a 19 socket, short, really short socket, made by Astro. Yeah, I mean, if you wanna know how to get it, put it in the comment box. Okay. Let's get it. I'm just gonna leave right there this guy right here. I lose it though, because I don't want to lose it when I remove the whole thing. Okay, I lose it right there, so it's easier for me. But since I have an impact, I can remove it and shoot it with the gun, and I'm gonna lose it. You know what I'm saying? Alright, let's get it. Enough talking. There's some people out there saying, "You're a stool. You talk too fucking much. Get the job done." Well, we're gonna please those guys today, all right? Yiddy. Now here you can use the ratcheting, okay? It's not gonna get trapped there, okay? So just do it though. Just do it. There's gonna be a point where you're gonna hit this part, so don't worry about it. You're not gonna get it stuck in there, okay? All's gonna happen, you'll see in a second. The ratcheting is gonna go through the head of the bolt, and that's pretty much it. Watch. You see what's going on? You see what's happening? You see it? So you're not gonna get trapped there, alright? Know what I'm saying? You will need you will got to for y'all. Yeah, that me. You see that? That's why you're not gonna get trapped in there. You probably are like, "Oh shit, I cannot get my tool now. I cannot get it out." Nah, bro. All you gotta do is this. Pop. That's it. Yeah, I mean. This shit is kind of like. There you go. That's it. But watch out with the washer though. Watch out with the washer though. Don't lose this. Alright. Now we'll remove this boy. Like so. It is. So the pads. So the pads right there. Yeah, alright. And this, just gonna, this is what I do with this. Pa, pa, pa. That's it. Yeah, I mean, pull out this guy. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna remove the rotor. If it doesn't come out just like that, then hit this motherfucker. Just like that. You need wiggle it out. There you go. Thank you. I was saying that you don't need to spray brake cleaner on this rotor, this type at least, because it doesn't have grease. Okay, so just install it. That's it. Okay. Then what we're gonna do next is we're gonna push the piston. My bad though. I was doing it, and I thought I pressed the record button, but I didn't. So all you gotta do is put it like that. You seen this boy, you seen him in action. Just put it like that and start turning. Just like that. Pa, pa, pa. You know what I'm saying? Once you push it back, just turn it counterclockwise. Remove it, and you push all the piston. You push the piston all the way back. All right. Now we're gonna grease the brackets. So I'm gonna grease the bracket, brand new grease. Shout outs to Ray Vestos, silicone brake lubricant. Yeah, I mean, just gonna grab this like that, pop, pop. Here too, pop. You know what I'm saying? Once you do that, just there you go. Now this fuck go at the bottom. The one with the rubber. Okay. There you go. The bolt's back. That was something else. You see, you learned something today, you know what I'm saying? The one at the bottom, put the bolt, the other one at the bottom. Now tighten it. I'm gonna tie these fucks first. Like that, then this one. That's kind of tight. Okay, now we're gonna tie the ones at the back, the 19s, the bracket bolts. There you go. Like I said, I cannot use this because it's too wide. I'm gonna do it by hand. Yeah. go. Tight it good. Okay, and do the same on the other side. And I'll show you what to do next. All you gotta do now is put the tires back, tie them, you know what I'm saying, and then we go to the front. You need no biggie here, just putting the lug nuts back because I'm about to tie them. This is 21, by the way, 21 millimeters second, okay? And of course, don't forget the wheel lock. Alright? Here you open the hood and see how much fluid you have, right? This is the brake fluid reservoir. It's right there at max, so I'm not gonna tap it off, so it's all good. I open it so it's easier for me. I remove the cap before I push the pistons, so it's easier for me to push the pistons. You can do it with the cap on, but I guess I got used to removing the cap first and then push the pistons, so it's easier. It doesn't build pressure here, you know what I'm saying? So since it's all good, I'm gonna put this back, pop, road test it, look for noises. If I don't hear anything, we're all set. It's a W. Alright, I don't take L's here, alright? You hear me? You heard? Alright, let's road test it. Holla at your boy. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think about this 2014 Infiniti QX60, the V6. Holla at your boy. I'm clacking now. Estuvo. See ya. Bye, nigga.